Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the XRP 2.0 token and the other XRP 2.0 token. Now both of these tokens are live for pre-sale right now on Pinksale.finance. One of the pre-sales is almost over, the other one has about 1 day left on their pre-sale. One of them is on the Binance Smart Chain network, another one's on the Ethereum network. Now this is another versus video. I've done two other versus videos that I'll pop up at the top of the screen here. When the video is almost finished, they'll pop up there. You can go check out those other versus videos. One of them was the Recetas versus the Recetas 2.0 token, and then the other one I did was Pepe 3.0 versus the other Pepe 3.0. So XRP is obviously very popular in the news right now because of being labeled by the courts not a security, and so all these tokens are pumping as of yesterday. XRP, Solana, ADA, etc., and XLM. And now we have XRP 2.0. And so a few of them came out all at once, but these two seem to be the ones that are doing the best. And like I said, one of them is an Ethereum token, one of them is a Binance Smart Chain token. We're going to go over just quick info on both of them and how you can get them in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, first of all, we're going to go over the Binance Smart Chain one. So, they have a full audit. They were audited here by SecureWise. I actually have not seen this audit company before, but SecureWise audited them, and you can view the PDF of that on Pinksale. This token has about a day left of their pre-sale. It's already a successful pre-sale because they only set their soft cap at 1 BNB. They've already sold 32.85 BNB worth of tokens, and they still have a full day left. So you can still go check out this pre-sale right now. In a nutshell, it says, finally, the USA courts decided that XRP is not a stock. The era of XRP is started. Max buy 1 BNB, no whales, contract renounced, fat wallet for marketing, trending on DEX tools, DexView, Aave, 0% buy and sell tax, 50% burned, 100% community owned. So ticker symbol XRP 2.0, all one word. Name of the token, XRP space 2.0. Tons of socials, Reddit, Discord, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Twitter. They're all listed on. They're all listed here on Pinksale. They also have their webpage. Coin. Actually, it just takes you to a Telegram. I don't even know if they have a webpage. Let's we'll check their Twitter. Sometimes they miss the webpage here on Pinksale. Oh, they do have a webpage here. So if you go to their Twitter, I'm going to put their Twitters up here in the corner of the screen here, so you can see both of them. I'll label one BSC and the other one Ethereum, so you guys can check this out. And on the Twitter, you'll see it has their webpage, XRP2.0.VIP. They just joined in May 2023 on Twitter. Obviously, this is a very brand new project here. So that's how you'd find their webpages. You have to go to their Twitter because it's not on Pinksale for some reason. So if you are going to get this token after the pre-sale is over, you get it on Pancakeswap. Probably won't have to worry about slippage too much because it says no taxes. It says liquidity is only locked for 60 days. So that is not very long. So hopefully they extend that. 2 months liquidity lock is not long at all. So they have a total supply of 420 trillion tokens. Token allocation, 50% burn, 33.68% pre-sale, 16.31% go to liquidity. Very straightforward. They have a audit by solid proof in the discussion section. No bad warnings on it whatsoever. All good check marks. So that's good as well. Now, if you go to their webpage, they have a link to their DEX view, Pinksale, Telegram, Twitter. So let's scroll down to, they don't even have a roadmap, but they say there's going to be buyback, trending XRP, because, you know, XRP is trending right now, community driven, and that's about it. So this is very much just a meme token trying to play off of the hype of XRP 2.0, which obviously the other token is as well. So this one, you can see the symbol is just the XRP symbol with a 2.0 underneath. It's just the big X and then 2.0. Now, if we go over to the other token, let's go over to the other one, the Ethereum one. This token is just wrapping up their pre-sale. They only have 3 hours left of this pre-sale. It's already a successful pre-sale. Soft cap was set at 3 ETH. They've already sold almost 9 Ethereum worth of tokens. And this one also has a full audit. So they were audited by Analytics Audit Solidity. You can view the PDF of that on Pinksale. And for this token, the symbol is Pepe, and it says "Make XRP Great Again" on his hat. So that's the difference. How you could tell the two apart. The Ethereum one has Pepe, and the Binance Smart Chain one has an X. And so this one has a Telegram, a Twitter, which is at XRP_20, and their webpage is XRP2.0.io. So that says, it says, "Make XRP great again" for the XRP members who sold before XRP. The SEC said it's not a security. This is your second chance. And then they have pre-sale information. It's a public pre-sale, almost 100 investors so far. For this token, the name of the token, XRP 2.0, all one word. So that's the difference. The Binance Smart Chain one has a space in the name. This one doesn't. Ticker symbol is the same for both tokens, XRP 2.0. But they're on different chains, so, I mean, it doesn't really matter if they're the same or not. Total supply of this token, 420,690,000 tokens. So way less tokens for this specific one on the Ethereum chain. Both of them have very low market caps. The Binance Smart Chain market cap, $12,422 so far. This one's only $26,000. Now this one will go to Uniswap. Liquidity, it says, is only locked for 30 days. So both of them have very tiny liquidity locks. So that's not good. So hopefully they extend the liquidity locks on both of these tokens. Now for the token metric pie chart here, it says 41.88% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 20.29% of the tokens go to liquidity, 32.82% of the tokens get burnt, 5% go to future central exchange listings. So besides that, if you head over to their webpage on here, they have the Pepe pop-up. Let's see if they have, this one has a roadmap, the other one doesn't. So the Ethereum roadmap here, it says assemble the community, join Telegram. Okay, so they have zero utility. Even though they have a roadmap, there's no utility on it. They have a contact email. Both of these tokens just kind of came out immediately just to play off of the hype of XRP. You know, kind of like they just keep pumping out these 2.0 tokens, trying to play off the 2.0 hype. Now these tokens are pumping this out, trying to play off the XRP hype. So, you know, we'll see how they do. Right now, both successful pre-sales. Not much to these tokens. You can review both of their audits at least. Liquidity locks are sketchy though, very short. So be aware of that. And yeah, besides that, let me know in the comments if you guys like either one of these tokens, both these tokens, or none of these tokens. That's the idea of the versus here. Who likes what? You know, this token versus this one. Which one do you guys think are better, or do they both stink, or what? Check out my other two versus videos. They're gonna pop up here in a second. And, you know, like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.